All right, guys, 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited V6. This is what it sounds like before. Not bad. Here's sound decibels on it. So it's right at 89. Again. So we showed you guys what it sounds like before, 2015 Grand Cherokee. This is what we got done to it. Factory converters up there, right there, and right there. Then usually a kidney bean muffler goes right here. I think it's outside. So we took it off and put a custom white pipe on it, as you guys can see there. Then he had a rear resonator delete done before somewhere else. We didn't do it. Right there. And reuse the same pipe. So basically now it's straight piped all the way. And there's that kidney bean muffler that we cut off right there. That was on it before. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. We get about 20% that are subscribing. So if you guys can really raise that count up, we'd really appreciate it. Jeep Grand Cherokee V6 Limited. Straight pipe. That's not bad at all, bro. That's not bad. Yeah, there's sound decibels. Again. Again. Good, it hit 112. Hell yeah. I should have talked you into a new tip next time. You got a 4-inch. It'll look really nice. That sounds really nice. Or I got a carbon fiber that has red in it. You want to see it? Let me let you see that. Let you guys hear on the inside. He's gonna put that red tip on it. We make them sound nice all day long. Yeah. That sounds really nice. Enjoy.